ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 75, ஸ்லோகா 7. हाधिकष्टं कुमारौ सुललितवपुषौ मल्लवीरौ कठोरौ नाद्रक्ष्यामो व्रजामः त्वरितमिति जने भाषमाणे तदानीं चाणूरं तं करोत् ब्राह्मणविगलदसुं पोथयामासिथोर्व्याम् पिष्टो भून्मुष्टिकोऽपि द्रुतमथ हलिना नष्टशिष्टैः दधावे. Word by word meaning. Ha dik kashtam, alas, how bad. Kumarau, the two boys. Sulalita vapushav, are tender. Mallavirau, the restless. Kathorau, are tough. Na drakshyamaha, let us not see this fight. Tvaritam vrajamaha, let us go away quickly. Iti jane bhashamane, when the people were talking thus. Tadanim, then. Karot brahmana vigaladasum, kara, hand. Ud brahmana, whirling round. Vigalat, slipping off. Asu, life, whose life was extinguished by being whirled round with the hand. Tam chanuram, that chanura. Urvyam, on the earth. Pothayamasitha, thou didst throw down. Atha dhrutam, then quickly. Halina, by Balarama. Mushtikaha api, Mushtika also. Pishtaha abhut, was crushed. Nashtashistaihi, the rest other than the killed. Dadhave, ran away. Full meaning. Alas, how bad. The two boys are so tender and the restless are very tough. Let us not watch this fight. Let us go away quickly. When the onlookers were talking thus, thou didst throw down on the ground Chanura, who had been killed by being whirled round with the hand by thee. Balarama also crushed Mushtika quickly. The others who were left ran away. Om Tat Sat.